Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to create a Claude AI account and get started with the app. So first, download the official Claude app from your device's app store or open Claude's official website. Then tap the option to sign up or create a new account. Now enter the email address you want to associate with your Claude account and follow the verification instruction Claude sends to your email. And once your email is verified, complete any additional account setup steps shown on the screen. If Claude asks you to agree to its terms or provide other required information, then review the details and then continue. After your account is created, sign in and you'll reach the Claude interface. From there, you can start a new conversation and type your first prompt. Depending on your region and account type, Claude may offer different features or subscription options. If you don't want a paid plan, then review the available free access before selecting anything that requires payment. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.